Welcome back here. We were just talking about our commutes home. We've been keeping an eye on Tracker 8 tonight. They're kind of swinging by some of the hot spots for us.
Yeah, absolutely, with a good indication of what the road conditions truly are. So let's start there. We are on Route 1 headed towards Scarborough, so north on Route 1. And you can see the road conditions just snow covered. I mean, this is slow going stuff. Plows have been trying to keep at it, but the intensity has picked up during the evening hours, 26 degrees. And tomorrow, we're likely to climb up into the mid-30s. So once the crews can get things cleaned up, we'll get down to black pavement pretty quick. 26 at the Jetport with a north wind right now at 14 miles per hour. Snow continues to come down. Mid-20s inland, Freiburg at 28 and Sanford at 28 degrees. So here's our storm off of Cape Cod, headed up toward Nova Scotia. And in doing so, it's going to take the last of the moisture off to the east during the overnight hours. Behind it, here's a cold front. This means a little brief shot of Arctic air coming in later on this week. I mean, Thursday, Friday with snow showers and squalls and gusty winds. Temperature is going to only top out in the 20s. But back to the storm system itself for tonight. We're looking at midnight to 2 a.m. for as far as snow coming to an end. A little bit later, points down east, a little bit earlier off to the west. And if I had to draw specific lines, I'd put the 2 a.m. line in here and the 12 a.m. over here, which puts the Portland, Lewiston, Auburn area 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. No way to really pinpoint when the last flake is going to fall in your town. Storm Tracker gives you a good estimate, though, during the overnight and first thing tomorrow morning. Then it's long gone. Clouds will give way to sunshine during the day tomorrow. Overnight low temperatures about 21 in Portland tonight, 20 in Freiburg, and then high temperatures tomorrow. We're looking at mid-30s in Portland, even Augusta, Winthrop, Leeds, Lewiston, Auburn, Lisbon, all climbing into the 30s. So my forecast through the overnight, the total weather alert continues for a couple more hours. The snow continues, but we'll see clearing skies between now and morning. Portland down to 21, 36 tomorrow, mostly sunny. It's cold, but it's breezy. Winds gusting close to 20 miles per hour, especially before lunchtime. Snow showers and squalls with that Arctic front prompted impact weather alerts for Thursday and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Uneventful, but on the chilly side, even by December standards. Look at this, Portland only with a high of 24 on Friday.